The best thing you can do, besides constantly developing your selling skills and techniques, is to work on your skills that boost and maintain your sales enthusiasm. It is such an important skill to have because it is your driving force that strengthens your will to succeed no matter what. Using these techniques can help you sustain your enthusiasm when selling to a challenging customer. Avoid procrastination. It is important to keep yourself moving. If you feel that procrastination is creeping up on you, make an active effort to get rid of it by taking action. By taking action, like following up with the prospects who went cold, or using the power of insights to create new interest with your existing customer, you can get your sales enthusiasm back. Keep an open mind. Strive to keep your mind open to new ideas and new ways of doing things in sales. Remind yourself of ABC. Always be curious. Read sales blogs, listen to sales podcasts, check sales tips on YouTube to find new ways of doing things. Creative thinking is often backed by sales enthusiasm. Many great and successful salespeople were creative thinkers with some amazingly enthusiastic attitudes. Don't sweat the little things. When you are dealing with small setbacks when trying to energize your prospects about your products or services, and little things get in your way, like delays in booking the demo or presentation, or decision makers are not readily available, remember that these things will not matter in the long run and the grand scheme of things. Simply redirect your focus back to your sales plan and you'll find that you easily overcome these small annoyances. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Send us your comments and please visit our website NorthAmericanSalesTraining.com to learn more on how, with our training modules, you can develop mental toughness and resilience so crucial for success in sales today. This is Alen Meyer, your sales resiliency expert, and please remember, resilient salespeople sell more.